This video, I want to talk about a sports style martial arts. Now, in my opinion, and this is only my opinion, and everyone should have their own opinion, I think all styles are kind of leaning into that sports style. Now, all my UFC guys out there, okay, I'm not putting you in this category with sports style martial arts. UFC is a totally different creature. Do your thing, fellas, ladies and gents. What I'm talking about is the Taekwondo tournaments, the karate tournaments. That's the area that I kind of gravitated to, and that's what I'm talking about of the sports side of martial arts. In the beginning, my old style, which branched off into a new style, and a lot of the high rank masters and senior masters, chief masters, and a few grandmasters came over and made a new style, and I like that style better because their motto in this is if it doesn't work on the street, get rid of it. Get rid of it in your curriculum. Stop teaching it. If it won't work in a self-defense situation on the street, get rid of it. But we also have a big tournament circuit too. All right, so that's where I kind of want to lean right now is how can you make a sports style martial arts and still get some benefit out of it? I grew up in a sports style martial arts. Like it was, like we had Krav Maga introduced in there. So our stand-up game was Taekwondo. We also had a ground game, which was Krav Maga. And then in some areas of this big association I was in, they were teaching Gracie Jiu-Jitsu. We've always had a stand-up game and we've had a ground game. But we also had a very large sports side of my old style. And this new style is building, and I feel like it's taken out all the junk, all the Hollywood karate, acrobatic martial arts that just doesn't need to be in there. Now, yes, it does sell, and like I said in my last video, you know, there is a value within that Hollywood martial arts. How can you turn a sports style martial arts and still get some benefit when that might be the only style around you, or you put so much time into it that it's like, I don't want to quit this because I got 3-4 years into this now. I'm a first degree, I'm a second degree black belt. Like, I don't want to just pick up and move and start over again. So how can you get benefit from that? And I would say if your instructor is teaching you front kicks, round kicks, hook kicks, outer crescent, inner crescent kicks, you know, elbow strikes, knife hand strikes, punches, vertical punch, you know, regular punch, hammer fists. If you have sparring, if you have board breaks involved within your style, I still think you still have a decent foundation of skills that you can use on the street if you really need that to feel like you're protected. You know, you can handle yourself. If there's nobody that's going to help you, you can handle it. I feel you could still work on one technique, front kicks, side kicks. You could start creating self-defense moves if you don't have any, just in the privacy of your home. You start seeing things in your mind, you know, one or two move techniques, no more than that. You don't have to, you know, have all these, you know, 5-6 moves, make it look pretty for your judges. I feel that even though it is a sport and maybe your instructors and the school owners are, you know, trying to get you more in the sport, and that's just not the area that you want to go, I still think you can still get some benefit of you know, of that. Still train. Try not to hate the style too much, because I know that can get us really bitter and angry. All of us need to just have an open mind of you know, the style was, there was something to the style in the beginning. That's just kind of my thoughts. Comment down below what you know. What do you think about it? You know, if you feel like, you know, you grew up in a style like that, whatever. Till next time, go ahead, make sure like and subscribe. Until next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.